Hey, it's Dominic here making a daily updates video. So basically how this type of content always starts is I'm going to be talking about a random topic relating to YouTube automation. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Relating to YouTube automations. Or maybe answer on some common question and Q&As. Basically, what I'm trying to do here is bring you guys on some value right off the bat. Right? People love value, so that's what I'm trying to do here. Today we are going to be talking about retention. Right? How do you structure your video in a way that creates the most engagement and make people watch for longer durations? Right? Always starts with a bang. This is the formula. Always starts with a bang. What is a bang? The bang is basically the hook. Right? You're already familiar with this. Just create an engaging hook. People always say, "Oh, just make the hook engaging, and people will watch your content for longer." Right? Basically, the hook is 15 seconds to 30 seconds. The first 15 to 30 seconds of your video, and during that seconds, you want to immediately deliver on the promise of your title and thumbnail. And after that bang, that first initial bang, keep the pace moving. Right? Use what I call the pattern interruption to keep things fresh. This could be a quick cut, a change in the camera angle, or a graphic on screen or some B-roll footage, right? If you just use a static shots that takes 5 minutes straight or just you talking to a camera like me doing right now, that can cause people to lose interest. And no matter how good your content is, people are going to click off the video. And so what we want to do is create spikes of emotions. Like if I throw something on your face right now, you're going to flinch or you're going to engage, right? Or like pay attention to that thing that is going straight into your face. So that's what the type of thing you want to create, which is spike of emotions and quick things happen. Just things happen in fast, you know, durations. And lastly, deliver value, fast and clear. Just get straight to the point and make sure that every second of the video is adding value. If you are creating a tutorial, give them a clear, quick roadmap what they will learn. If it's an entertainment video, just jump straight into the action. Just no fluff, get straight into the action. And that's what most people like in nowadays. So just try it. And next thing is I'm going to give you a sort of method I've just pulled from the internet. The method for analyzing your own little retention graph, right? Analyze. So basically, the three main things, let me change the color of my pen right here. Three main thing that you need to focus on is the flat part, dips, and then spike, right? Flat is basically the portion where the graph is most flat, right? Like this part right here. There's a little bit of spikes and stuff, but say that this part is flat, right? Is where the viewers engage the most, right? Is where the engagement is happening. Engage. And the dips is where people disengage, right? Disengage. And the spikes is where people re-engage. And with this knowledge, you can sort of understand like, oh, this part right here is what I'm doing bad, right? I'm doing badly because people are disengaged in this section. So I need to rewatch that part, find the part that is creating the problem, and either cut it or fix it, make it better for your next video. And for the spike, you want to see like what is making people watch, like engage, re-engage on that part, and try to make more of it, right? To make people keep on like re-engage and re-engage, and that's how you kind of create this flat section right here, which is people keep on re-engaging and watch the video for long durations, right? So that's basically the formula. Use it. And to be honest, the rule of thumb is, try to navigate here. The rule of thumb is think of yourself as your target viewer, right? Just think of yourself as your target viewer. And would you watch your video until the end if it was you or if you were the viewer? right? Because most people just make the content and just throw it out there without even thinking if people is going to watch till the end. And after that, they ask me like, "Oh, Dominic, why is my video is not getting any views? So why is my video is not getting high retention when literally they don't even want to watch their own video?" So, rule of thumb is think of yourself as the target viewer, and with that, would you watch your video till the end? And if your answer is yes, then the likelihood of people watching your video for a long duration is going to be much higher. That's it. Bye.